Okay, so guys, today I just got this pyraminx Rubik's Cube. So guys, this is a pyraminx Rubik's Cube. This is red, this is yellow, this is green, and this is blue. So guys, this says I don't know how to read this language. It might be Japanese. Well, I can read this one. It's moving Joshi. I don't know what that means. That's weird. So guys, this is a pyraminx Rubik's Cube. I can do some tricks like this. And guys, this is so easy to turn. But guys, what is this black thing? Is this magnetic? Just let me know in the comments. And guys, what are these holes? So guys, this is a triangle puzzle. So guys, our triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. So this pyraminx has 3 sides because it's a triangle. But why are triangles up and down to make this correct pyraminx? Let me know in the comments. Oh guys. Would you ever have this Rubik's Cube in your collection? Let me know in the comments. So guys, I have 20 Rubik's Cubes. I might make a Rubik's Cube collection like in a month or 2. I don't know. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye!